want to show you this item. It's a kind of my museum piece. I bought it in August 1999. It's over 20 years now. As you can see here, it's made in Taiwan. It's not very usual nowadays. And on the top is saying, what is the mystery at the core of crystal flesh? So let's open it. It's a plastic ball inside. And it's like some shiny crystal. Basically it's plastic, and you can hear there's something inside. It's actually electronic inside. When I shake it, you can see something is flashing. About at the same time, I also bought this one. This one is a bouncing ball. And you can see there are also LED inside. And battery is also inside here. Of course, now the battery is flat, you can change it, it's just sealed inside here. But this one is amazingly, the battery is still working after so many years. The same thing, you can change battery, you can open it. Let me make the room darker and show you. Okay, I have just closed the curtain, now it's much darker. Let me show you the light. It's quite nice. It's flashing red and green. I assume at that time that we didn't have RGB LED. That's the reason, just flashing red and green. This ball doesn't really bounce. So it's like this. Okay, but this is a rubber ball, it's supposed to flash as soon as I bounce it. Okay, that's all about my crystal flash from 20 years ago. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!